Hi, I'm Diana from Diana Marie Home, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our 1800s farmhouse. What we see today is the house as we purchased it before we make any renovations. This is the breezeway. And then over here, it leads to the kitchen. We have a stairway. The field across the street, which is also a part of the property. And then we have a double oven. And this is from the other side of the kitchen. And then off of the kitchen is this room. The previous owner left all of the blankets over the windows because we are in the middle of winter in upstate New York. This is a stained glass window that was originally up here in this main window on the front of the house, and it reads 1899. And that was when the second part of the house was added on, which is the part that we're in right now, and a lot of renovations were made. These are some original pocket doors and a fireplace. There's an entryway. The door facing the roadside of the house. And then another larger room with a fireplace. Some built-ins. And then this door leads to the stairway, which we're going to loop around to. Because if we keep walking through this room, this is the original entryway to the home. This is now the original part of the house that was built around 1830. The exact date's unknown. There's a closet under the stairs. And the doorways in this space are all arched. So if I turn around and look at the doorway that we just came through, you can see that that's also arched. Now if we keep walking through that entryway, this is another large room. The previous owner replaced all of the windows with custom windows to replicate the original windows in the home to maintain that character. There's another fireplace. The mirror in the fireplace is actually something that we just found in the basement of the home. And then when we walk out this door, we have a staircase to the left, and then this room to the right, and you're gonna see how we just are making a loop right now. So that is the other side of the pocket doors. So if we open these up, we'll see the room with the bay window and that stained glass window. Coming back to this room, if we keep walking, we have this space that was added on in 2005 with a door that goes outside. And when we go back out, right in front of us is the pantry. We have a door that leads to our basement, which is an old stone basement. And we are back at the kitchen. So now we'll actually go up these stairs right here. There's 2 stairways in the house, in the home, and we saw the other ones towards the middle of the tour. So when we get to the top of the staircase, there's a bedroom right off to the right, and this is the smallest bedroom in the home. But what I like about it is that when you look out the window, you can see our little bell tower. That was added on in 2005 above the attached garage. And the bell really works, which is neat. We have a closet here. One of my favorite parts about this house is that the previous owner worked really hard to maintain a lot of the original character. So it has all the original flooring, a lot of the original trim, and even things like door handles. Leaving this room, across the hall is another bathroom that was also added on in 2005. There's a shower. Again, old hardware, which I love. Okay, leaving the bathroom, continuing to go down the hall. We turn right. We have the master bedroom. We have old tin ceilings, a fireplace, and then this doorway, again with that hardware, leads to the master bath. And looking back into the master bedroom, you can see there was an old closet in that back corner. This space that comes off of the bedroom with a nice big closet in there. Here you can get a better view of that ceiling. And then if we walk back out into the main master bedroom, another view of the ceiling. This is the trim work that appears to be throughout the home. We'll leave the master bedroom and walk all the way down the hall. We have another closet space here, and then we get to a space where we have 2 doorways. So we'll turn into this one. And we have a bedroom with a large closet. And then walking through this bedroom, this is another doorway, is another bedroom that is identical to the one we just went in, just on the other side of the house. There's the other staircase to the home. And if we look in here, the only difference is this old fireplace in this room. I love that old brick. So So now we will go out this door and actually go back down this. This is the second staircase, and we'll go down here. And you'll see we'll end up near one of the larger rooms, and then this room with the pocket doors. Thank you for joining us on the tour of our new farmhouse. Check back to see more updates on renovations, DIYs, and everything related to home.